Just got to our new camp. Actually paying to camp today, 15 bucks. Close to home. Just to keep it fresh, different places each week. This is Goose Creek Trail Camp. Not to be mistaken for Goose Creek Camp. This is actually where they let the horses, you follow this, I'm at the very end of it, the last spot on the river. It's all on the river, but anyways, the horses are all up front. There's areas with big posts and shade and really nice setup for horses. So this is Goose Creek Trail Camp in northern Michigan, off of 612. Beautiful spot. Brought 2 dogs today. I think we might even sleep in the van tonight, just for convenience. All right, stay tuned, guys. I would never leave you, son. Daddy would never leave you, don't worry. My boys. Daddy's camping with the boys today. That's Daddy. That's Daddy Chef Coon, and that's his son right here. That's Bear. Yeah, I got the boys. Boys are camping tonight, huh? We love it. Up on the Manistee. Oh yeah, beautiful country, northern Michigan. I know. I'll walk you down there. Hang on. Well, thanks for destroying my arm. Jeez, oh man. Happy boys. Big boys, huh? Beautiful up here right now. So today is actually Labor Day, May 31st, 2021. And we pulled here. We're in the last spot, like I was saying in the first segment. But this bad boy, they've probably been burning all weekend. You can still feel the heat on it. And you can see they poured water on it, but I promise you this thing, I could get a flame off of it. It is so damn big. But anyways, yeah. Enjoying the nice day today. Wow, you tore my arm up, brother. Look at these scratches. Jeez. Anyways, alright, talk to you soon. Oh yeah, here's me saying hi to you. Hope everybody's having a great life out there, enjoying their time. I don't put myself on camera much just because, why? I like looking at my dogs and everything else, but yeah, so this is me. What do you think, guys? Right on the Manistee River, northern Michigan. We love it. Go ahead, get in there. Huskies don't like water. Look at the beautiful flowers. Good job, guys. Good boy, Chef Coon. In the water. Nice. Good boy. Look at that. Husky in the water. No way. He's always loved the water. Good boy. Good boy. Good job, dude. Very cool. Mom, I can't believe it. Bear jumped in the damn water. Good boy, Bear. Come on. This way. Good boy, you got it. Good job. Good job. Dude. Holy shit. We're having too much fun with the boys. Look at Coon got all excited. No way. Bear. Good job, brother. My man. Dude. Dude. He ain't afraid. Next level. Huskies don't even like the water, but this is next level. Right on, man. Shazam! Beautiful Greek salad. Feta cheese, peppercini, black olives. Not black olives, but Greek olives. A couple different varieties of dressing. Something hot. The ramen with Cholula. Snackville. Tuna salad kit. Crackers already made. And then for beverage, your finest Michigan water. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, a sunset video up here on the Manistee still. Of course we are. This is all the same video. Beautiful day. What do you think, Bear? What do you think, buddy? What do you think, Coon? Left the girls at home, didn't we? Alright. That's the way to do it. Alright, getting all settled in for the night. Decided to put the tent up anyway. It was too stuffy in the van. So we put up the palace. Got a couple cots going. One for the dogs. Probably both for the dogs. Couple pads on the ground. Big drop cloth. Couple towels. Food and water. Doing good, guys. Very nice. I don't know if you can see out there, but we're right on the river. Can you see that? Yep. Alright. Alright. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in the morning. Going in? Come on, get in there. You guys can go in there. Good job, Coon. Go on. What a fine morning up on the Manistee with my boys. Hope everybody's having a good day. June 1st. Husky in the water. Good job. Whoa! Good job! Good job! This morning's breakfast, tamales in a can. And I line the pan with foil. That way you don't have to wash the pan. They'll heat up right on that foil. Could even fold them over. Make a nice little oven. I'll do that. And that is how you sun's about to set. About to get everybody ready for bed. Taking the boys out for one more pee. Beautiful river up in northern Michigan. A nice little camp set up there. It's been a nice, peaceful couple days here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, good night everybody. We're all here, ready for bed. Beautiful night out there. Okay, see everybody in the morning. Okay, good morning. Another adventure all wrapped up. Another one in the books. Going home to see mommy. It's been awesome. It's been a great trip. And we are out of here. Like Brian likes to say, the adventure continues. I love it. Talk to y'all soon.